What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on XCN because for the past couple of hours we had here really great pump. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact price or the exact setups that I am currently watching here, then definitely watch this video till the end. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am everyday sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bydfi exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. You can see that for these past couple of hours we had here a pump around like 25% of a net market, and we also took liquidity above this bearish order block. If we are gonna switch on a higher time frame, you can see we had here absolutely perfect liquidity grab on a daily time frame under this previous important low, and then without the resistance confirmation we had here an amazing pump. The reason why price probably stopped here is definitely current market situation, because all of the alts are dumping. XCN is currently one of the best performing altcoins, which is really great, and also we are having here this important bearish order block which is starting on 0.01507. The really important thing is this liquidity grab, and because we took that liquidity, and right now if this candle will close above this low, so above the level 0.01238, then this can be, in my opinion, really great entry. Stop loss, in this case you want to place under the low that we created during this fake out, so stop loss will be probably around 10% of a net market, and last take profit target you want to place above this bearish order block area, which will give you a potential profit around 63.8% of a net market and risk reward ratio up to 6.73. Definitely in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you still want to get under this bearish order block area, then something for example under this previous important highs, this previous important area, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio is gonna be around like 4, something like that, which is in my opinion still really great setup. If you want to trade this setup on a lower time frame, then of course definitely you can. On a 4-hour chart we already had here this support confirmation, so on a 4-hour chart, like, be free to take this long position, but in my opinion it will be better to just wait for the support confirmation on a daily time frame, because this liquidity grab and the potential support confirmation, yeah, it's simply better to watch it on a daily time frame, because this liquidity grab is kinda huge. Current RSI indicator is on like 18.50, so also this is indicating us that this coin is currently very undervalued, and there is, in my opinion, really high probability of a potential short squeeze. Here, if you want, you can wait here for a retest of this potential bullish order block. This can give you really great potential trade, but it will be kinda risky, and of course there is absolutely, let's say, there is nothing like 100% guarantee that we are gonna retest this area, but if we will and there will be a support confirmation, you can take here this long position with risk reward ratio up to 12.39 with stop loss around 5.7%. This is, in my opinion, another really great setup. In this trade you also want to take multiple take profit targets, so the risk reward ratio will be slightly lower, so some of the profits you for example want to take under this first bearish order block, above this second one, around for example this third bearish order block, which is by the way level 0.01873, then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end this can give us risk reward ratio up to 8.5, something like that, which is again really great potential trade. Let's now take a look on a 12-hour chart. If let's say somehow there won't be this support confirmation, but the correction will continue, and this will be another just a liquidity grab above this previous important highs, because keep in mind that with this move all of the people that were short and there were, let's say, having leverage 5 or more, and isolated margin, they are most likely liquidated, because this pump had around like 25% of a net market, and a lot of people probably placed their stop losses above this previous important highs. So if this was actually just a liquidated rep, in my opinion, this is like not that high probability that this was the case, but eventually if there will be again breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then I'm expecting a retest of this bullish order block. If you are watching my analysis on this coin for a while, you know that last trade that we actually trade on this coin was with this previous bullish order block, and this was our exact entry, and from that entry this was a pump around like 230% of a net market. So if we are gonna retest this area and there will be a liquidated grab with a support confirmation, we can use it as another potential long entry. Stop loss, in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, so let's assume stop loss will have around like 12% of a net market, something like that. Lasting profit target you can place, for example, above this important bearish order block area, or if you want, you can place it on even higher levels. We are here on a 12-hour chart, so for example, if you will place it above this bearish order block area, this trade will give us risk reward ratio up to 13.1. so with multiple take profit targets, your risk reward ratio is going to be around like again 9, 10, something like that, which is another really great potential setup. And if you, for example, want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, then don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. So let's now summarize it. In my opinion, XCN is in the long-term perspective very undervalued, and we are probably gonna see here a huge pump in the upcoming months. But as always, we need to wait for a perfect setup. So I want to see here either a support confirmation above this previous important low. In this case, we can use it as a potential long entry. If you are in my private group, if these conditions are met, I will definitely opening here a long position, so just stay tuned. And if for example there won't be the support confirmation, or there will be simply higher selling pressure, then I'm expecting a retest of this previous important lows. Here I want to wait for that liquidating grab with a support confirmation under this bullish order block, which is actually ending on level 0.07603. But for this order block to be reached, there needs to be another huge dump in the whole crypto market, which of course can happen, but because in the long run we are in a bull market, I am actually not expecting that we are gonna retest this area. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin. I still think that in this bull market we are gonna break this previous level, so we are gonna break the level 0.04967, something like that, which is, for example, if there will be a support confirmation from this current area, this can be still a potential profit around almost 300% of a net market. So really great potential trade. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. All important links are in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.